So, you know how on websites you have the first page, then a little mini triangle, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 18, all the way down to 30 plus Google, and then the last page. Well, I thought I'd trick the entire system and pick the very last page on Travelocity. Yeah, not a good idea. Caution you, don't ever pick the last page on Travelocipedia because it's some scary, scary shit. So we take off, and within about an hour into it, we hit the most horrific turbulence known to man. The guy next to me had to be an absolute narcoleptic. I mean, his head was like bobbing up and down and up and down. I mean, it was like most dogs would have been like, not bad, not bad. I swore he performed acts on himself unmatched by any canine. But as impressive as this guy was next to me, I had to focus on my own death. So I'm sitting here, absolute white-knuckled, palpitations, my throat is absolutely closing, and I'm going nuts. I mean, this thing is absolutely about to fall apart and break in the sky. But a voice from the heavens comes through to just save us all. Boom!
Hey, this is your captain bringing over the bidding. It's not the bottom of all. It's a fall. Hit the bell torrent. So we'll go boy about 20,000. Please be safe. Walk on the cabin. Boom, boom.
So there's absolutely no need to piss my pants at this point because I'm 100% understood of what's going on right now. What the hell did he just say? I mean, I have no... What did he say? Did anybody catch what the hell he just said? You know, I'd rather him not even say spit at this point because, quite honest with you, I'd rather picture him in the cockpit just hunkering down, flying this thing and being like, yeah, I got to get out of this mega atomic cloud that I'm in right now. That's just one thing they gotta sit back and check out and fix is this intercom thing. It's not a new problem. It's not. I mean, a few years back, we're traveling over to Ireland. I'm actually with my grandfather at the time, and it's quiet, it's nice, it's relaxing. So they throw in the movie, analyze this, right? And you know what? You're chilling. You got your headphones in. And it's like you're pretty good, yo. But the problem was that when the pilot would cut in. It was so extraordinarily loud. I thought there was going to be heart attack after heart attack. I mean, these people got so scared. And picture this. It's like, you got a gift, yo. Yes, you do. Hey, no bet you do, huh? No bet you do. Boom!
This is your captain speaking. You have now reached our cruising altitude of 20,000 feet. If you look out the darkly along the window, you'll see the archipelago. Please enjoy the rest of your in-cabin movie. Boom, boom!
Hey, GT, thank you so much for the chance. A few years back, not even like 10 or more, I was doing the comedy thing, and I had a really good response to it. I loved it. I loved every minute of it. And locally, I did really, really well. I had a family, I settled down. But in the back of my mind, I'm always writing for next weekend. But I never went back on, and next thing you know, it's been 7 to 10 years. I've had kids. But a friend of mine stumbled upon my old tapes, and he's like, you're totally ripping yourself off if you're not trying. So if you can, just listen to the next 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes. Give it a good, solid shot. And if I don't make it past the first round, fine. But I have a lot of good material that the world's never heard. So thanks again. Thank you so much.